Welcome to Otisam Mathematics. In this video, we are to solve for x, y, and z in the given equations. So, we will solve this equation simultaneously. Let's label this one equation 1, equation 2, equation 3. Now, from equation 1, we can make y the subject. So, y will be equal to 4 over x squared. Now we can also make z the subject easily. So let's put y in equation 2. To put y in equation 2. So this implies that 4 over x squared all squared times z will be equal to 3. Now we have 16 over x to the power 4 times z is equal to 3. So we can cross multiply. We have 16z be equal to 3x to the power 4. So z will now be 3 over 16x to the power 4. So when we divide both sides by 16. Okay, so the last equation, z in equation 3. So this implies that z is 3 on 4, 3x to the power 4 over 16 all squared times x equal to 18. Now from indices, this square will affect everything here. So 3 squared is 9, x to the power 4 squared is x raised to the power 8 over this 256 times x is equal to 18. So we are going to have, when we cross multiply, we have 9x to the power 8 times x to the power 1. We have x to the power 9, which is equal to 18 times 256. So let's divide both sides by 9. So this 9 will cancel. 9 will go here too. So that we can have x to the power 9 is equal to 2 times 256. 512. Now for 5x to the power 9 is equal to 512. Now 512 can be written as 2 raised to the power 9. So from indices, if the bases are the same, you equate the exponent. And if the exponents are the same, you equate the base. So therefore, x is equal to 2. Now we said that y is equal to 4 over x squared, and which is 4 over 2 squared, and we have 4 over 4, which is equal to 1. That is the value of y. Now as z, what is z? Z is 3x to the power 4 over 16. So z is 3x to the power 4 over 16. But the x is 2. So that we have 3 times 2 to the power 4. Now what is 2 to the power over 16? Now what is 2 to the power 4? That is 16. That is 3 times 16 over 16. So this will cancel. So that we have z is equal to 3. Thank you very much, viewers, for watching this video.